violets are blue, then God blessed me, and God blessed you too. You're always on my mind, right from that first kiss. It's a Kodak moment, so can you picture this? You in my world, or rather my space. I ain't talking my space, you're way more than a top 8. I got your text message when we was up in class, saying you'd pray our love would always last. And girl, I know it will if we keep Christ first. It wasn't by faith that we first met in church. And also keep in mind, it was real from the start. You that shooting star that fell right into my heart. It's funny how love works, so rare like a diamond, when two people come together in God's timing. You called me saying how you miss me so much. Be strong, keep the faith, cause the greatest is love.
I wanna be kissing you, girl, and you know I want your loving, baby. I wanna be kissing you, girl, and you know I want your loving, baby.
Count every blessing, thank the man above for the feeling I get when it comes to summer love. You're never alone, you can call me anytime, treat you how I should, one of a kind. How I feel for you, I can't say enough. I can't give you the world, so I give you my love. I promise you, girl, I ain't like other men, and your girls don't get it. One day they'll understand, undescribable to say the least. Unconditional, baby, here's you and me. We can travel the world and take the next flight. It really don't matter if you're by my side. I feel so blessed when I look into your eyes. I love you, repeat 1,000 times. I'll treat you like a queen and give you respect. We can live a life with no regrets.
I wanna be kissing you, girl, and you know I want your loving, baby. I wanna be kissing you, girl, and you know I want your loving, baby.
I'm bound to make mistakes, but give me a try. Tell me how you feel, girl, and what's on your mind. Let me make you smile, and when I hold your hand, let me whisper in your ear, I wanna be your man. You and me at the park just looking at the sky, praying, dear God, don't let this love die. Cruising, bumping oldies, feeling so content. The best things in life are free, don't forget. My prayers were answered the day I saw you. I'm living for God and you're living for Him too. With the faith we have, we can weather the storms. Girl, don't worry, we can build a happy home, and we can take it slow, no need to rush. This is love, don't confuse it with lust. And this is for that girl, and you know who you be. When I say I love you, I say it with a wedding ring.